Hi, I'm Chris, and today we're going to be replacing this bad boy. Now always remember, before you replace your dishwasher, take out the dishes first. Before we do anything else, we have to make sure that we shut off the electricity and the water so we can remove it properly and we don't get hurt. Alright, there's three things we have to remove: the electrical, drain, and water. So after we take out the dishwasher, we're supposed to clean it up so that it's easier to put in the new one. Now we're going to open up our new dishwasher. Looks nice. So always remember first to read through your instruction manual, because you never know what you can do wrong. So after replacing the hoses, now we can put in the new dishwasher. So after checking the hoses for no leaks, we successfully installed a new dishwasher. Hey Mom, I did the dishes like you asked. Oh yeah, and I installed a new dishwasher.
What?